Right, boys and girls, this is where we're gonna start. I can't really try expose too much because YouTube's not gonna be happy about it. But here you can see that this is the front, and then two lines go around, follow the hip, goes around the ribs, and it joins to the back tattoo, which you're probably gonna see later on in a few minutes if you watch this video to the end. And then this is not done by me, somebody else. We did moth on the back, which also probably gonna show you later. We did some more lines on the bum cheeks. I'll show you that later. But this is the morning, and then I'm just trying to film so YouTube doesn't ban this video. So stomach lines come down, and then I'm gonna try to sneak in later on so you can see all of it. As you can see, we already outlined that side, blasted loads of black. That's nice and juicy. And now the healing gonna reveal what's in there, and then we measure where the middle is, and then we do exactly the same on this side. And again, probably the back tattoo and all that we're gonna see end of the video, but this is like 50% done, and almost 50, like 49%. And then yeah, goes all the way there, goes there. You can see that in a second. So this is where we are now. She's freezing, she's a bit cold, but then we can squeeze in. So if you do a little bit more twisting, yeah, that's it. And then big chunky lines. I filled them in with 15 mag, the whole thing, and lined with 9 liner. So 9 liner lined, and then color them in. If you turn with the front, that's it. And then it starts there, and then spreads open. And then I made stencil. I drew the stencil on a iPad, but then realized this was working perfectly, but we needed to readjust these top lines to merge, kind of warp around her previous existing tattoos. And then we mark where the middle is, then we measured distance there, and make sure they line there, and actually cut the stencil on 3 pieces. I put this bottom first, and then that gave us like the finish points, and then I cut those separately and put that as a third, well, second, third, and then we made sure both of them slide exactly same place there and on the side as well. So that is what we did previously. We did film a video of that, huh? It should be. Yeah, it should be on YouTube. Yeah. So there's a video of that. You can watch that. And then now this goes into this story.
Moth you're on about?
Yeah, the moth one. Yeah.
I think we did.
I think we did film a video.
We did.
Maybe. How was the video? How was the pain? Do you want to be in a video?
Sorry?
Do you want to be in a video?
I don't mind.
Yeah. So people can see this crazy
Okay. This crazy lady. The pain, actually I can take quite a lot of pain. It was just going over the ribs at the very end after hours and hours.
Literally where the shines now.
Yeah, tattooing. But yeah, pain was...
The front, stomach area, lower stomach.
Yeah, lower stomach obviously.
How was that? We did that side first.
We did the left first and then finished on the right.
How was that side ribs? You didn't say anything really.
That was fine. I think it's just the prolonged time. But other than that, yeah, super job. Yes, loads of people would be envious.
It will, 1000%. Any final sentence for people who also want stuff like that?
Think carefully about what you do want. Ensure that it's something that you can live with, and trust your tattooist.
Well said. Nice one.